Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Barim Kejela baru badairu unongelam jongkat yang persya hapok ying darbar thawaan Kejela Dr. Mukul Sangma Ïakhun ke election MLA hosnam arjar arpulai neki artli ki constituency ki bakintop ya ke 41 Songsak bat na ke 45 Tikrikilla constituency Dr. Mukul Sangma udai nongmi khmat jong ke Songsak kat bau nongmi khmat na Tikrikilla udai ujimi di Sangma Habakren sigilat pathai kubor mentak asngi hadin beladat ban berbena ya ki kerteng jong ki kertong ki banyak kunyi ki election MLA house nam arajar arpulai nakaseng TMC nakaliang jong Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong bakadaw ba unyang naki artli ki constituency kadai namar baki pajba ki kwa yu ban yang nakitay ki constituency Habakali lada ujob na baro artli ki constituency unjet banlong kumunong mi khman jong kae ke constituency Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong bayakata ke jubab la ban ai menta kuman supen ken mau bo Dr. Mukul Sangma ke election MLA house nam arajar khat phra ulayang banyak khun ki artli ki constituency kata na Songsak bana ampati badula job ne ki baro artli ki constituency hanrai ula jet pat ban long kumunong mi khman jong ka Songsak bad ula penyang no ka khun jong u kamyani di shirana ampati bad kamyani ru kalayo ya ka jingjam na katai hi ka constituency.
Well, I have already responded. There are multiple factors, but I think the factors which I can share with you is that overall demand as well as the felt necessary political strategy, and that's how we look at it.
So, if you win in both the seats, which seats you will free?
That is $1 million question. Nobody says that.
So was the decision taken to contest to see whether you're unsure of victory?
You have to find out whether I'm unsure or I'm sure of both.
Whether somebody says it's because of your arrogance you have contested to see.
Anybody can have their own, conclusion, but there is no problem in others having different conclusion. It's done with utmost due diligence, with overall political whatever factors are considered to be taken into consideration. That's all it is.
What do party look at announced for 52 seats? But how many seats are anticipating to win? Now you have started your groundwork.
We are expecting the people of the state to think for the secure future of the state. State has really suffered because of the usual traditional fractured mandate that has been usual trend in the state of Meghalaya, except the first election, post creation of the state. Therefore, it's time for all of us to realize that in a democracy, it is always necessary for the people to understand the impact, both positive and negative impact, post-fractured mandate during electoral mandate. So we will be reaching out to people to take into consideration the larger interests of the people and larger interests of the state, based on which they will definitely decide upon the matter. And if that happens, what we foresee is that the people of the state will definitely not a fractured mandate anymore. But that will be left to the wisdom of the people. Our job is to reach out to the people, somehow navigate our conversation, our discussion, and the narrative thereof to achieve that objective.
Despite allegations of corruption.